Good morning, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and thank you for being here for this quick Act tutorial. So, as you look at the screen in Act Premium Cloud, you'll notice up top we have email, history, note, to-do, meeting, and call. One of the interesting things about this is you can modify what you see here and even the order they are in. I'm going to come over to these three little dots, and I'm going to click on this. And you'll notice that this is called the Global Toolbar Options. So just to illustrate a point, I'm going to come in and I'm going to uncheck a bunch of these things. I'm just going to leave call there, and I'm going to click OK. And now the only thing I see is call. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to check everything to bring them back in. But let's say the most important thing I do all the time is I schedule a call. Well, I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to move it up so it's way up at the top and click OK. And now I've modified the order of what I see here. So you can come in and modify these things to put things in the order that works for you and also take away things that you might never use. So that's a quick way you can simplify Act. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so very much. You have a great day. Be well now.